You sound like a cat purring. Renzo. Renzo. Lorenzo. Hey. Handsome boy. Renzo. Where are you going? You ready to go to bed? Don't tickle him. Quit moving, you're blurring my camera. What's today, Laura?
Halloween.
Did we go trick-or-treating?
A lot.
Did you get lots of candy?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Is there anything else you want to say?
I love my my little baby sister. And when she grows up, I call her big sister.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Love you.
Love you too.
Love you, turtle. I love you, Bobby.